everyone, I'm Francesca Lian Ocampo from Kinder St. Jude. I'm here to present the blindfold, the sword, and the clock. Let's start. The sword and the clock. Read by Woods S.A. Pastor. One day, the wolf came out of his den to look for food. By the river, the wolf saw some fish which a fisherman had left behind. The wolf quickly gobbled up the fish until a fish bone got stuck in the wolf's throat. He kept poking, but he could not get rid of the fish bone. A storm passed by. What happened to you, wolf? She asked. A fish bone got stuck in my throat. The worried wolf shouted. Open your mouth, and I will remove the fish bone. The storm offered. With her long and pointed beak, the stork was able to remove the fish bone from the wolf's throat. After gaining his control shore, the wolf quickly turned to leave. Are you not going to take me, wolf? The stork called after the wolf. You should be the one to take me, because I did not look for you. The wolf shouted back arrogantly. Moral of the lesson: don't be a dick. Always think